Hello students, let's see essay writing on an Independence Day created by Mrs. Veena Anil Dabhade. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th of August every year. On this day, India got independence from British rule. This day is also celebrated as National Festival. On this day, we remember our freedom fighters. The Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort. On this day, we go to school early in the morning. There we hoist the national flag and sing our national anthem. At last, sweets are distributed to all the children. I love my country very much. Jai Hind. If you like the video, please subscribe and share.